Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello friends.
Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Alright, we are Group 3. Our members are Yes, Sujet,
Hai.
Inal,
Hai.
Aji,
Hi.
and myself, Jenita. In this occasion, we are going to show you how to make chicken, sausage, shrimp, fried rice. We hope you enjoy our presentation.
To make chicken sausage shrimp fried rice, we need 2 plates of rice, 3 pieces of garlic, 3 pieces of chopped garlic, 2 pieces of chopped shallot, and 6 pieces of chopped chili. Next, we need 2 teaspoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of frying oil, 1 sachet of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of royco. Next, we need 3 pieces of sliced sausage, 1 piece of sliced cucumber, 1 piece of sliced tomato, 1 piece of sliced spring onion, and 1 piece of lettuce. Next, we need 200 grams of fried shrimp and 200 grams of boiled shredded chicken.
Now, to make it, first, heat the oil on the stove until hot. Second, saute the seasoning until smells nice.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want
Then, crack the egg
is run. Hear me out.
and add a bit salt.
All the things you know.
And stir.
There are the things I want to know.
Next, add the rice
In your heart to slow.
and stir.
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all
After that, put soy sauce and some royco and stir.
never show. There are the things I want to know.
Then add the sliced sausage
Secrets start in your heart to slow.
and add the shrimp
Tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
then stir.
Here we go, turning all around, turning to right.
Next, add the sliced
Here we
grilled
go,
chicken
you could take me there.
and stir.
This life is all we know.
Finally, serve in plates.
I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's
And add lettuce,
going on.
sliced tomato,
And even when you're near
and sliced cucumber.
me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things
Add some shrimp
friends, that was our presentation about how to make chicken, shrimp, and sausage fried rice. I hope you enjoyed it. All for now, and thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.